Welcome to the grand finale of WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2021 organized by IIT Bombay. Let's check out the journey of Saksham Mihani from Nandura.
Myself Saksham Mihani from Nandura, Maharashtra. I am 14 years old and I am 8th standard student in Initiatio. I like skating and coding. My hobbies are reading novels and encyclopedias, playing Casio and doing yoga. I love science. I have participated in competitions such as Homi Bhabha and Olympiads. And these are my achievements. Hello everyone, this is Saksham Mihani and welcome to the presentation of Oxidane ProJet, the future of carbon-free society. Oxidane ProJet is a jetpack that is capable of both horizontal as well as vertical flight. It is powered by hydrogen, which is obtained through water electrolysis. Thus, its emissions are completely free from harmful gases and is a novel, environment-friendly, scalable and efficient automobile of the future. I have utilized these things. First is this LPG cylinder, which is slightly modified. Inside it, we have water which contains dissolved potassium hydroxide. We have these graphite pencils. These will act as electrodes and we put them inside the solution like this. It is airtight like this. Then this will form hydrogen and oxygen at both the ends, the cathode and the anode. To indicate the pressure, we have this pressure gauge. After the suitable pressure buildup is reached, we have this valve to release the gas. We are going to power this entirely by the 24-volt battery. I have this setup ready. I have connected this positive terminal to these 24-volt batteries. The pressure is currently 0. Now I am going to connect this negative terminal to begin the process. And as you might be able to observe, here we are getting some sparks, which indicates that we have very high voltage here. I will connect this and the process has started. This setup has been connected to battery since 20 minutes. Now I am going to test how much pressure has been built inside it using this balloon I have tied to that pipe. Let's take it. I shall open the valve. That is a fantastic amount of gas we have collected. It is brilliant.